Hi everyone, from now we're going to install the Poodll Anywhere for TinyMCE plugin for Moodle. So to do this we go from Site Administration to the Plugins menu to Install Plugins. From there we have the option to upload a zip file or to install plugins from the Moodle Plugins directory. Today we're going to install from the Moodle Plugins directory. At the Moodle Plugins directory, we can search for Poodll. This is the fastest way to find the Poodll plugins because there are many plugins on the database in the Moodle Plugins directory. And if we search for Poodll, we can see here that we have Poodll Anywhere TinyMCE. There is a similar plugin called Poodll Anywhere for Atto, but that works on the different HTML editor in Moodle. If you are using the TinyMCE editor, then you want the Poodll Anywhere for TinyMCE. On the Poodll Anywhere for TinyMCE page, we have two options, either to install now or to download the plugin as a zip. In this case, we're going to choose to install now, and we first confirm or check that the Moodle version of our site is listed here correctly. In this case, it's Moodle 3.5, which is correct, and this version, this plugin version, is suitable for Moodle 3.5. So we click Install Now, and that will take us to a list of the sites which Moodle believes we administer. And from here, we choose the site that we're going to install into. And in today's case, it's the Moodle 35 test site. So we click the Install Now link. Moodle gives us a chance here to cancel the installation if we wish to, but in this case we're going to continue and we confirm that we wish to install the plugin. At this point Moodle will validate the plugin, make sure that the plugin file looks correct, and if it is, we'll get this message here: validation successful, installation can continue. We click on continue and Moodle will unzip the plugin file, and we'll arrive at this screen here where we can finally commence the installation. We click on Upgrade Moodle Database Now, and the installation commences. When the plugin installation is successful, we are taken to the settings page, and in this case we have settings to show which recorders we want to show on the TinyMCE toolbar. And let's choose a default, leave the defaults as they are, which will show all of the recorders on the TinyMCE toolbar. And with that, our Poodll Anywhere for TinyMCE installation is complete. Now, at this point, the Poodll Anywhere for TinyMCE has been installed and the settings are correct, but it still won't show on the TinyMCE toolbar. And that is because we need to add it manually to the Moodle TinyMCE toolbar. So to do that, we go to Site Administration, Plugins, Text Editors, and here under TinyMCE HTML Editor we have General Settings. Click on General Settings. And we have a list of the various buttons that can be shown, including Poodll Anywhere, which actually has 4 buttons: the audio recorder, video recorder, whiteboard, and a snapshot camera. And we need to add those to the toolbar settings here. So let's add them right at the end after full screen. We just simply add Poodll. And that will be enough for the editor to know to display Poodll and its icons in the TinyMCE toolbar. Scroll down and press Save Changes. And that's it. Now your Poodll Anywhere for TinyMCE is all installed.